Well, this is exciting news. A well-known large RV company has just acquired another company. They're now entering into the motorized portion of the industry. This is very exciting.
Very exciting when I read this, because we actually just had a wonderful experience with this company. And what we're talking about is Midwest Automotive Designs. If you watch our videos, you know that we just spent some time with them at the Tampa show. And also we lived in a Midwest van for a few days.
So Midwest Automotive Design, they manufacture high-end both transport vans as well as camping vans. It really nice, like MJ said, well made. Their company, the mother company was Rev Group, but that is going to be changing.
Right. So this is coming from RVbusiness.com, dated February 10th. 2026, Alliance RV acquires Midwest Automotive Designs from Rev. So this is out of Elkhart, Indiana. We love Midwest and we love Alliance, so we're really excited about this.
Right, if you haven't heard of Alliance RV, they're one of the fastest growing, they're privately owned RV companies out there. They started in 2019, really customer focused.
Right.
They have a cult following. People love them, a lot of repeat customers. And they make production fifth wheels rated for full-time living, highly regarded.
Ryan and Coley Brady are the founders and owners of Alliance RV, and we love them because they are so hardworking, nice people. You go to those shows, they're there the whole time.
They're working.
They are working right alongside their employees. It's really a great thing to see.
Now, Rev Group did merge with Terex Corp. This happened last year. Officially, the merger happened on February 3rd. As a result, Alliance has now acquired that portion of Rev Group.
What's exciting about this is that this is Alliance's entry now into the motorized segment of the RV industry. I think it's a great way to do it. Midwest has been around for over 20 years. They've grown tremendously to over 200 employees and exceeding over 150,000 square feet of business space. They are both located in Indiana. Alliance and Midwest will only be about 6 miles apart.
A direct quote from Alliance co-founder Ryan Brady: over the past 20 years, Midwest has been dedicated to manufacturing premium, high-end luxury vehicles and has developed a distinct reputation for quality service and product innovation. And when we were in that MD3 with the Patriot package, it is really nice. Now, we have been in other vans. This one was definitely a step above.
And Ryan's brother Coley, co-founder of Alliance, also said, we are incredibly excited to welcome the Midwest Automotive Designs team to the Alliance family. Midwest is an excellent company with a fantastic product offering. Our goal is to take that foundation and apply the Alliance RV difference, focusing heavily on customer experience, feedback-driven design, and an unwavering commitment to our dealers. We look forward to applying the Alliance standard of excellence to the Midwest organization.
What does this mean for you as the consumer? Well, you have a company that really had a good reputation, Midwest Automotive Designs. You have a company, Alliance, that has a great reputation, a privately owned company. And now they could put the marketing behind it and maybe incorporate some of those Alliance innovations into these vans. I think this is great. I think this is really going to help Midwest Automotive Design grow them. I think it's going to help Alliance get into that motorized, and we think this is great.
Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you think this is a good merger? Are you fans of Alliance or Midwest? Again, if you missed any of our videos with the Midwest, we really enjoyed it. We enjoyed working with them too. They're good people. So let us know your feedback down below.
If you like videos like this, news videos, we'll put our news playlist right over here. We'll also put our travel vlogs playlist. But before you go, if you stayed to the end, a bonus in the comments below. Where are we right now? We haven't mentioned where we are. We want to see if you know where we're shooting this video from.
And then we'll know if you watch to the end.
Put it in the comments below. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.